Hi, good evening students. Today we are here with another video, the computer malware part 2. In the part 1 video, we discussed about the malware, what is malware, what is a virus, or we also learned about the full form of the virus. So in this chapter, we will discuss what a virus exactly is. So as you all know that the full form of virus is vital infected resource under corrupted overseas. So what a virus exactly is? A computer virus refers to a program which damages the computer system or destroys or erase the data files. A virus might corrupt or delete the data on your computer system, use your email program to spread itself to other computers, or even erase everything on your hard disk. As we all know that the viruses are the malicious computer programs with the ability to replicate and execute themselves, means it creates its copy, and the main purpose of the virus is to harm the computer system. They can attach themselves to other computer program, files or data stored in the system without the user knowledge. So here we discuss the types of computer viruses, that is number 1 is worms, Trojan horse, boot sector viruses, Trojan horse, time bomb and macro virus. These are some types of viruses. Now here we will discuss about this in brief. Here first is worms, WORMS. A worms is a destructive program that fills a computer system with self-replicating information, clogging the system so that its operations are slowed down or the stops. As you can see the image on your screen, it's the figure of a worm. Here are some key points that are related with the worms. The worms has the ability to spread very quickly, means it creates its self-replicating copies and spread very quickly in your computer system. Basically, the worms are attached through the emails and the address book. Some most common types of worms are scalper, swan, morris and mydooms, etc. Now here the second topic is boot sector virus. So boot sector virus, as the name specifies, boot is the term that is related with the booting. So what is booting? When we turn on our system, the first process that is going on is called the booting. Okay, so a boot sector virus infects boot sector of the computer. It means it mainly infects to the hard disk of your computer system. During the system boot, boot sector virus is loaded into the main memory, that is your primary memory, and destroys the data stored in the hard disk. Means a boot sector virus is the virus that destroys the data that stores in your computer hard disk. Okay, the best example of the boot sectors virus are Danish, Boot, Empire, Joshi and Brain. Okay, now the next is time bomb. What a time bomb is? A time bomb is a virus program. Just listen, a program means a set of instruction here that performs an activity on a particular date. Basically, the virus that performs the activity or the damage starts on a particular date is called the time bomb virus. Here another term, that is a logic bomb or a logical bomb, is a little bit different. So here we read it. A logical bomb is a piece of code, means it is a piece of program that inserted into an operating system or software application that implements a malicious function after a certain time limit. A little difference, or we can say a single difference, that between the time bomb and a logic bomb virus is the time bomb virus activated on a particular date, and the logic bomb virus perform the functions after a certain time period or a certain time limit. Clear? The best example of time bomb viruses are Saturday 14, Tuesday the 13th. The bomb viruses remains inactive for a long time and waits for the specific event or the data to trigger. Clear? Now the next is macro virus. As the name implies, macro. A macro virus is associated with the application software. As you all know that application softwares are the softwares that are the user-friendly softwares and designed to solve the user's specific problems. So, a macro virus is the virus that is associated with the application software like MS Word, MS Excel. When opening the infected file or document, macro virus is loaded into the main memory and destroys the data stored in your hard disk. So the key points of macro virus are: the main target of this virus are the data files that is stored in your memory. It attached with the application software like Word, PowerPoint, MS Excel, games, full stop. It mostly spreading through the network or through the internet connections. The next virus is Trojan horse virus. This one is the most important virus. Trojan horse is a destructive program. Means it destroys. It is a program that is designed for the destructive purpose. It usually pretends as a computer game or application software. If executed, computer system will be damaged. Trojan horse usually comes with monitoring tools and keyloggers. Here keyloggers means these are the softwares that are used. Keyloggers are the softwares that are used to note down your email ID or the password. Basically, it keeps the logs of your email ID and password. The example of Trojan horse are Beast, Black Hole, etc. Trojan horse are basically like the programs that hide the intention and appears as useful as program. Means a user is unable to understand their intentions. It just appears as the useful program that's stored in our computer. It always works in the background. Means a Trojan horse virus is work in the background. After getting active, it only spread by copying to the other system. It also save our password or ID and send it to the hackers. As we discussed, the keyloggers, the main function of the keylogger softwares are to save our ID, serial number or the password, and when our system is getting infected with the Trojan horse virus, so the Trojan horse virus collect our information and send it to the hackers. This is all about the types of viruses. Now here we read the effects of computer viruses. So as we all know that the virus can easily reproduce their copies. They can easily spread automatically from one system to another. So here are some effects that we are going to discuss of the virus in our computer system. Number 1, if our computer is infected with the virus, the first thing that we show in our computer system, the slow performing computer or the slower speed, means our the speed of our computer system is getting slower day by day. The next is pop-ups or the unusual messages automatically showing upon the user's screen, means the unwanted message or the unusual message will automatically come and showing upon the screens. The third one is program running on their own, means the program running automatically within the system. It does not require clicking by the user. The fourth one is automatic multiplying duplicating files, means it automatically creates its replicating or duplicating copies. The next one is the presence of unknown files and applications on the computer, and the next one is files getting deleted or corrupted automatically without the knowledge of the user. Here are some of the ways through which the virus can easily spread within a system or within our system by using the infected medias like pen drives, CDs, floppies and disk etc. If a user use the infected medias like pen drive, CDs, floppy disks in one computer to from one computer to another computer, from one device to another device, it is the best source through which the virus gets spread in our computer system. The second one is by clicking on the download free software advertisement. If a user click on any of the software advertisement, then the virus automatically get attached with the link and our system get infected with the virus. The next one is clicking on the suspicious pop-up ads. There are number of ads that are available on the internet. If a user click on any particular site, then number of pop-up ads will be appear on the screen. So the main source of spreading the virus is clicking on the suspicious pop-up ads. The next one is through the unwanted emails and attachment. Now, if a user clicks on any unknown email or the attachment, so the virus automatically gets spread in your computer system. The next one is working on the malicious website. If a user is working on any of the website, so the virus get automatically spread by clicking on the ads, by clicking on the particular links at all. The last one is the P2P sharing the files. P2P sharing means here P2P means peer to peer. If a user shared the system by using the internet facilities, by using the different softwares, like if he or she if a user share the data between two devices, then this one is the main source of getting spread the virus. This all about today's presentation. If anyone of you has any query or any problem related to this video, then you can contact me, or